Breaking news now, we have an update on that situation at the Hoover Dam. We told you right at the top of midday that a woman was threatening to jump off the bypass bridge there, and it stalled traffic for a couple hours in that area. And as you can see from this live picture right now, traffic is starting to move again. We are hearing that police do have the woman in custody. We're gathering more details there at the scene. Parker is there live for us, and he'll be live again with an update coming up at 11:30, so stay with us for that.